Okay, so welcome to today's talk. Today I want to talk to you about a kind of autoimmune disease, um, Wegners Granulomatosis, and I have a few cases which have responded very well to Wegners Granulomatosis. So I'm keen to share with you. There are so many homeopaths and many patients who write to me to discuss about these conditions. First of all, we need to understand what is Wegener's granulomatosis. It's a kind of a collagen vascular disorder where, especially in this type of autoimmune disease, the eyes, the nose, and the ear and the mucosa around is especially affected, causing keratitis, scleritis, uveitis, vasculitis. And it's also called as polyangiitis. In short, one of the main symptoms that they get is recurrent cold, cough, ear infection, throat infection, coughs, eye injections in the eye, redness, inflammations, not getting down by steroids, not getting down by anything. Um, it's autoimmune disease, so actually the cause is not known, and 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 the main symptoms that they come up with is only these 4 5 symptoms: extreme cough, wheezing, phlegm, ulcers in the mouth, nose, coryza bleeding, sneezing, sinusitis, pain here, ear, otitis. Now, it's very important to know that initially it will be just like a upper respiratory tract infection. So patients often go to doctors, sardi ho raha hai, coryza is there, and the allopathic physician might give common medications for that. It is much later in life, and especially when eye is affected. Ocular signs often diagnose this condition. Um, in some very bad cases, sometimes the renal pathology is affected. Interestingly, sometimes the arthritis, skin, neuropathy gets affected. So this is important to know. This is a little bit like lupus also. Investigations, ANCAs, ANAs would be very important. But what I want to tell you is, in allopathy there are immunosuppressive drugs, and very especially they would often give remedies like methotrexate, etc. And there isn't much treatment available in this kind of condition. And this is where homeopathy has remarkable results in this type of disease. Because what homeopathy tries to do, it is what is Wegener's granulomatosis is something more external. And it's an autoimmune disease where what happens is that your body's own healing mechanism gets weakened, and your own body fights against your own body, causing reactions. But why is this happening? This is because at a deeper level there is an issue. At a deeper level, your immunity is affected, and that is affected especially due to stress, especially due to changes in lifestyle, especially due to hormones that are at disarray. And homeopathy acts beautifully in that. In fact, I have a very interesting case of Wegener's granulomatosis with very high ANAs and ESR, and this lady who had come to see me, she was in a very bad condition. I'm treating her for almost 4 years. She comes from Madhya Pradesh, and she used to get a lot of eye scleritis, otitis, coryza, and bleedings. And her one of her main symptom was psychologically was a lot of insecurity and lot of fear of what will happen in the future. Constant insecurity about what will happen, and lot of fear within. And she always lived in a protected atmosphere. And as she was out of that protected atmosphere, she got this attack, and she came out with a beautiful case of calcarea calf, and she did phenomenally well. And she's now only on homeopathic medicine. All steroids are stopped, and she's doing very well. So this is what I wanted to share with you. This is my contact details. This is my email ID. My clinic is in Mumbai, Dadar, and I also take up challenging cases. You can write to me.